Today I will introduce this AI recognition smart scale. It supports multiple languages and its AI recognition of fruits, vegetables, meat and dry goods. And it's very convenient and accurate, which improves the speed and efficiency of cashiering. It has the following main features. First, automatically learning. For example, this apple, okay, it can recognize it. This grape, no problem. This is pear. Okay. So mango. Okay, that's no problem. But if some products it doesn't have, for example, this one, it have. So we have to learning and training this AI system. But learning and training is very simple. It's automatically just creates the product's items and the picture in the background, and then choose this one. Choose this. What's this? It's grapefruit. Pomelo. Okay. Then second time. Okay. It can recognition. It can be recognition. This called automatic learning. More and more accurate. We have the built-in algorithm will record the character choice. When people choose character products many times, its result will also change the algorithm of iamPOS AI. Multiple products always choose one, and the next time this product will automatically be ranked first. Self-revolution of AI recognition. For example, this one. This is we called avocado. First is third time. Rect is third. Okay, we collect it. Second time, okay. It may be second or first. Now it's first. Okay. Third time, we can training again. Yeah, that thing is more and more accurate. It's yeah. That's all. Thank you.